Ciao, my name is Rossella. I'm Italian and I have created this channel to help you improve your Italian and become fluent and confident at it. If this is your aim, subscribe to my channel to be the first one to see my next output. Each video will include revision time, memo time, and quick and fun games so you can practice your knowledge. If you want me to help you with something, leave me a message and I will make a video on the topic of your choice. Today, I'm going to talk about regular verbs in IRE, so the third conjugation. If you have watched my previous videos, you'll know that the first conjugation would be in are and the second is in ere, so the third will be in IRE. And I will soon make a video on verbs potere, dovere, volere that are very, very important. Now, let's talk about this third conjugation. The third conjugation often adds an interfisso between the root of the verb and the desinence. Now, the root of the verb is that part of the word that remains the same throughout the conjugation. The desinence is changing depending on the subject. So, in case of capire, the root of the verb would be cap, and the desinence is ire, which is substituted by the conjugation. So, in this case, the interfisso isc plus the real desinence o, I, e, iamo, ite, ono. Please check my previous videos about the first and second conjugation if you want to learn more about root and desinence. So now, the conjugation of capire is io capisco, tu capisci, egli capisce, noi capiamo, voi capite, essi capiscono. Please note the difference of sound in isci, isce, and isco, iscono. So the k sound remains the same with the vowel o, but changes into a different sound sh if the vowel next to it is I or I. So we don't say tu capisci or egli capisce, but capisce, capisci. In the same way, we don't say capiscio, capiscono, but capisco, capiscono. So, io capisco, tu capisci, egli capisce, noi capiamo, voi capite, essi capiscono. Let's say it more fluently. Io capisco, tu capisci, egli capisce. Noi capiamo, voi capite, essi capiscono. Now, as usual, pause the video and say it as many times as you can, because if you watched my previous videos, you know that my top tip to become fluent is to repeat, repeat, repeat the verbs. We do it in school, really. So, io capisco, tu capisci, egli capisce. Noi capiamo, voi capite, essi capiscono. If you feel the rhythm of it, and can you feel the waves as well? Can you rest on the stress of the verb? If so, you are very close to become fluent. So try that. Io capisco, tu capisci, egli capisce. Noi capiamo, voi capite, essi capiscono. A wave after wave would be io capisco, tu capisci, egli capisce. Noi capiamo, voi capite, essi capiscono. And in a very, very fluent way, that would be io capisco, tu capisci, egli capisce. Noi capiamo, voi capite, essi capiscono. Practice, practice, practice. And if you need, go back to the beginning of the video. For now, I move on to another verb. Finire, to finish or to end. Io finisco, tu finisci, egli finisce, noi finiamo, voi finite, essi finiscono. So let's say it again. Io finisco, tu finisci, egli finisce, noi finiamo, voi finite, essi finiscono. One more time, quickly. Io finisco, tu finisci, egli finisce. Noi finiamo, voi finite, essi finiscono. Please note again the pronunciation. Finisco, finiscono, but finisci, finisce. And the interfisso isc doesn't appear in noi and voi. Now, top tip, you can say it before it appears on the screen. Repeat, repeat, repeat. So, io finisco, tu finisci, egli finisce. Noi finiamo, voi finite, essi finiscono. Pause the video and practice it as many times as you can. Feel comfortable with the sound of it. Recite it without looking at the screen. Make up sentences which use the verbs, one of the two verbs that you've encountered here. Capisco, finisco, finire, capire. In the meantime, let's have a look at the desinence and root. The root is not underlined, so cap and fin, and as you can see, it remains the same throughout the whole conjugation. The desinence changes, and again, let's remind that the desinence in this case is a combination of isc and interfisso and the real desinence, which is o, I, e, iamo, ite, ono. Now, you can already see one of the other verbs in ire, guarire. Another one is preferire, tradire, punire. After tradire, it's a good one. Costruire. Now, in the next half of this video, you're going to practice these verbs and you're going to conjugate with my help, which will become smaller and smaller. Ready? Off we go. Guarire. So pause the video and conjugate the verb using the desinence, the given desinence. And the answer is io guarisco, tu guarisci, egli guarisce, noi guariamo, voi guarite, essi guariscono. In a fluent way, that would be io guarisco, tu guarisci, egli guarisce. Noi guariamo, voi guarite, essi guariscono. How was it? Pause the video and repeat it as many times as you can. For now, I move on to the next verb. Preferire. Now in this case, I just put the interfisso out of the desinence so to make it harder for you. So ready? Pause the video and conjugate this verb. And the answer is io preferisco, tu preferisci, egli preferisce, noi preferiamo, voi preferite, essi preferiscono. In a more fluent way, that would be io preferisco, tu preferisci, egli preferisce. Noi preferiamo, voi preferite, essi preferiscono. Better? I move on. You go back to the beginning of this slide. And I'm sorry for the mistake. Verbi regolari in ire. I'm sorry about it. Let's move on. Tradire. Pause the video and off you go. And the answer is io tradisco, tu tradisci, egli tradisce, noi tradiamo, voi tradite, essi tradiscono. More fluently. Io tradisco, tu tradisci, egli tradisce. Noi tradiamo, voi tradite, essi tradiscono. Now, se tradisci, devi essere punito. So, punire. Now you don't see anymore the isk interfisso, so try to do it harder and harder. Off you go. And the answer is io punisco, tu punisci, egli punisce, noi puniamo, voi punite, essi puniscono. More fluently, io punisco, tu punisci, egli punisce. Noi puniamo, voi punite, essi puniscono. Better? I move on, and if you need, stop the video and practice it. Costruire. Io costruisco, tu costruisci, egli costruisce. Noi costruiamo, voi costruite, essi costruiscono. Please note, noi costruiamo, costruiamo. So, io costruisco, tu costruisci, egli costruisce. Noi costruiamo, voi costruite, essi costruiscono. Better? I'm sure you better. Per oggi è tutto. Thank you for liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can have many more chances to improve your Italian. Ciao!